Hey guys, it's John, ReelBlue Custom Rods, and welcome back to another episode of The Truth About Hitena Zebra Stripe Metallic Thread. And today's color, this one back here, is going to be color code Multi 1 or ZS Multi 1, so Zebra Stripe Multi 1. And it's got some interesting colors. I'm not quite sure how it's going to turn out. But let's go ahead and get started and see what we come up with. So, when I bring the thread up here, we can see, I think it's like silver and blue, and then a lot of silver and blue, and then it gets into some other colors. So let's see what's going to happen here. I don't know if it's blue or if it's a gray. But let's go ahead and get started. We'll get a good bite on here. Oh, wow. Already some cool looking colors from the beginning, right there from the jump. All right, so let's go ahead and cut that working end off. And then let's go ahead and start wrapping. And just see what we're getting here. So, looks like some yellow or gold right here. I don't know what that first little bit is. Again, that might be the blue. And then a little bit of purple, some silver, a little bit of purple again. Then we get into that yellow. And then we get into, that is blue. Wow. And it goes back to yellow, and then purple or brown almost. I want to say it's almost a dark brown color, guys. I'm looking both here at the wrap and then back here at the spool, and it looks like a dark brown. And here's what I like about this one, is that I kind of like the pattern. So if we find it, it's silver, brown, yellow, blue, yellow, brown, silver, and then it just kind of repeats itself. So you're not getting a whole bunch of blue in there. You're getting mostly the yellow and the brown color. All right, this is pretty interesting. We'll just keep going a little bit. Get another blue in there. Yellow. And it should come back down to the brown. And then the silver. Yep. So that's pretty interesting. Those are some good colors. What would I pair it with? So if we went with a nylon blue, this is 455 by Pro Wrap. That might be a little darker of a blue because that's kind of got that light blue color in there, but I think it looks good. Let's go a little extreme. That's a Color Fast 101. So more of a neon yellow color. Versus, and you can see the difference in these two colors here, but versus the second one, which is 119, again, another Color Fast thread, more along the same color of yellow in there. That actually looks pretty good too. If you or somebody you're making a rod for likes yellow, that might be an option. This one, of course, got a little bit of green. It's got that neon yellow to it. It would look good, but I think this yellow would look fine as well. That's pretty interesting. And then if we were just kind of working, I wonder, just out of curiosity, I wonder if a green, that's not too bad. I think that's okay color. I think that would work. A green color would work with that. And then what if we came back with some nylon gray. I think that's a good option. And that's a 819 Pro Wrap nylon. Yep, I think that would look good as well too. So let's go ahead and let's tie this one off. I think that's, far enough. We'll tie this one off and then we'll do this dragon scale really quick. All right. And we'll just burnish that down or pack the threads, give it a little tug. Cut it. All right. And then now we'll just try and jump over here to this dragon scale. See how this will lay down. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead, get this started. Pack these threads a little bit. Yep, not too worried about it. Again, instructional purpose here. You can see the little white pieces are sticking out of thread a little bit, but I just want to give you guys an idea what this will look like on the dragon scale. All right. All right, that's coming out pretty good, I think. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments block. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you think it looks good? I think I will definitely say the stripes are pretty prominent, even with the mesh tape behind it. It doesn't seem to break it up. It still seems pretty prominent, although I think you get a bit more of the silver color because of the pattern below it. So it changes how the light hits it. So you're getting more of the silver color because it's brighter. But I think it's okay. To be honest, I don't think it's something I would use that much of. And I don't know why, but I do like the blue and the yellow color. I want to say that's the first any type of thread, Versa thread, Versa blend, SAM SFX. I think that's the first type that we've seen that has the blue and the yellow in it. I'll keep going a little bit here. All right, getting down there towards the end. I think, I like the blue and the yellow, and I think it is probably the first thread. Like I said, I think it's the first Versa blend, Versa thread, zebra thread. I think it's the first one that we've seen with these colorways in them, and I think it's interesting, and I think, of course, it has a purpose. I definitely like the blue and the yellow. I think if I was going to use this, I am almost certain that I would come back with the yellow on top of that. Maybe I would come back with this color here. I think that would look really good as well. And again, that is the Pro Wrap nylon burgundy color there. So let's just keep going and finish this wrap out really quick. And let me know down in the comments block what you guys think. Like, Would you use this color? And if so, what colors would you pair it with? Question of the day. So would you use this color of thread? And if you would, what color of thread would you pair it with for an overwrap? All right, so almost done here, guys. Getting down to the end. Okay, coming down to the end. All right, so let's go ahead and tie this off really quick. All right, so we'll back that thread off, give it a cut, go through the loop. All righty. And we'll give that a cut right there. Okay. I got a little piece of thread sticking out from that black thread. All right, so here is the original. All right, so just the thread wraps on the blank. Again, very interesting colors. First time we've seen these, I think. And then we kind of slide that down here. And what does that look like with some texture behind it that you get with the mesh tape? And again, I think you're getting a little bit more reflective color. You're getting a bit more of the silver. But I also think when I go back and forth between these, I look at this one and then I go back here. And I think this is a bit more prominent. And then when you come back here, you get, even though you're getting a bit more, metallic, reflection from the metallic color, I think you're actually getting it from all of the colors here because they all seem to be pretty good, pretty visible. Again, because there's a lot more silver on it, it looks like you're getting more of the silver look. But I will definitely say this seems to be a bit more prominent here. And then this is with the texture on it. So let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys hit the like button. As always, if you're interested in buying this thread, there is a link in the description below. Great way to support the channel, and I thank you in advance for doing that. Make sure you guys watch this next video here. Hit the like button, and until next time, guys, take care. Bye.